Terminator. Arnold Schwarzenegger can also teach us English as well as some philosophical lessons with phrases like, I'll try with a German accent, guys. Please don't hold it against me. I'm not an actress. Okay? I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle. We're not gonna make it, are we? Humans, I mean. It's in your nature to destroy yourselves. I can't do the accent. It's terrible. I know now why you cry, but that is something I can never do. Aw, Arnie, so cute. Sympathy for AI, for robots, guys. Strange. And the final famous one, I'll be back. Thank you, Arnie. You can go now. English lesson from Arnie. What can we learn? Some basic points here again. We're not gonna make it, John says, the boy, the guy. Gonna is a contracted form, abbreviated form of to be going to, the future. Again, something that is pre-planned or is just going to happen. It just happens. It's not a decision that we make. Not will. So we're not going to make it, future form or plan, and to make it referring to meaning survive. Okay? And then it's in your nature to destroy yourselves. Often my students say destroy you or prepare you, or they say you instead of yourself, myself. In English, it's a reflexive object pronoun. Okay? And then the famous I'll be back. So it's basically a quick an English way of saying I'm going to return. We don't say I'm going to return. That's very robotic. But that's what it means. That's if you're returning to a place. Okay, so I'm here, I'm going away, and then I'm coming back later. I'll be back. Okay. Otherwise, if you're in a different place and I'm coming to where you are, then in Italian you say arrivo, or in Spanish voy. We don't say I'm arriving. Okay, we say I'm coming or I'm on my way. Then for the philosophical lesson, the most important one I think, will AI destroy us or will we destroy ourselves with AI? Was Arnie right? If you think about it, AI doesn't plan. It doesn't want anything. Humans do. That's a really interesting reflection, no? So, is AI a tool or a threat? What do you think?